Warm welcome to the exciting world of animals. May I ask you for a subscription, please? The black-headed bulbul, Brachypodius melanocephalos, is a member of the bulbul family, Pycnonotidae. It is found in forests in southeastern Asia. The black-headed bulbul has a mainly olive-yellow plumage with a glossy bluish-black head. A grey morph where most of the olive yellow is replaced by grey also exists. It resembles the black-crested bulbul, but has blue eyes, though not reliable in juveniles, a broad yellow tip to the tail, and never shows a crest. However, some subspecies of the black-crested are also essentially crestless, but they have red or yellow throats. The black-headed bulbul feeds mainly on small fruit and berries, but will also take insects. It commonly occurs in small flocks of 6 to 8 individuals. Thank you for your interest in wildlife. See you pretty soon, and take care, be safe.